Scrapbook fever's got a hold of her now. She's got the scrapping pneumonia and the cut and glue flu. And now it's time, once again, for that scrapbooker extraordinaire, my mistress, who's so nice, Terry Rice.
Let's hear it from my MC. Does he get any weirder? Probably. Okay, well, today I'm on number 3, and that's this one here. It's got, it's a matted layout. It's got a band running through it. It's got 6 pictures. I think I'm gonna just have 5. It's got 3 horizontal and 3 vertical. And this is a really cute layout. And I can't believe that I just couldn't come up with that configuration of, exactly 6. But I'm gonna have 5, and I'm sure it will turn out fine. And so anyhow, I've got some birthday things just because I need a party feeling, even though it's not for a birthday. It's gonna be for New Year's. So I've got some banners here and anything that I think will go with my papers. And I don't know, I could maybe use some of the hearts that would work or something. And then I put these in for banners and balloons, looking for that pink. This side doesn't have any of that pink. And this does have what? It's got gold and silver, that might work. And then, I don't know if I got anything over here or not. No, well, I could maybe use some of these things. I don't know. I just threw those in, even if I don't use them all. It's like at least they're kind of giving me a direction. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I pulled in, and I think these were actually from the same paper pad at the time, but they were just in different places today. Okay, so I had these like in my one that Janet called it Fun Fair, so I called it Fun Fair. So I'm going to use these as my base, and then I'm going to use this little band of this, and I do have white for it to go on. And then I also have these. These were like, I got them at Tuesday morning, and they would have one that had shiny and then one that was plain. And the whole thing was just different kinds of cards for different themes. So I thought, this Let It Rain confetti. Is that not the cutest saying? I love it. So I might celebrate with us. I was gonna say, I might celebrate with us. So I might use something from here. So I brought that. And I brought these, and I don't know if I want the sparkle or not, so I brought both of them. And now these ones are actually stickers, it looks like. Maybe not. It's an illusion. Is this one a sticker? No, it's got a gray cut line, and it really looks like it's a sticker here. So I thought some of these would work, not everything, but some of the things would work, so I'm putting these all in, and then I had these. I wish I would have had this collection. I just think it's so gorgeous, and it's And Many More by Pink Paislee, and I got these at Tuesday morning. I wish they would have had the paper pad. This was something I didn't see it when it was out, and totally missed it because I really, I've got all these grand girls. This would have been perfect. Okay, but I'm gonna use it up in, when I can. And I almost put it in a birthday, and then I realized I had already scrapped that birthday. So I'll tell you, today I just went through piles and piles of pictures trying to get them in some kind of order to see if I had scrapbooked some of the things that I was looking to scrapbook this week or this next month. And I did find at least one thing. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, that goes with that. Okay, now this is, I'm gonna keep showing you on here. This is day number 4, and she has a back page, and then she has like squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. And then she has 2 horizontal pictures, and I want to do this because I had to pull it up and look at it. It looked like, you might want to use an extra picture or just keep them in, just use blocks of color. And so what I decided to do, this was my summer kit, and I think I used it last month and the month before, but I didn't use any of it this month. But I'm going to use some of it next month. So I pulled out this, and this. I think these ones are all simple stories, these ones here. I think maybe they all actually went together. And then, oh, maybe this too. So maybe I just pulled out all the farmhouse. Actually, I had them in kits, like page kits, but I had decided, to just pull stuff out now because next month we'll be starting something else, which I'm going to have to figure out. So anyway, this is, I could use some of these, and because they're already squares. This is another piece. It's like a lighter shade, but it's like from the same collection. And otherwise I could also use this. If maybe I'm not even going to cut that up, maybe just use this, but I don't know. And then I brought in this, and I probably won't use the watermelon fur, but I could use maybe, I don't know, maybe I could use summer. I could use Life is Amazingly Good, those kind of things. So that would be all I guess I could use from here for my pictures, but I thought I'd bring it in just in case. And so that is for day number 4. Okay. And then I have day number, I'm going to show you on here because I've used my envelopes for, let's see, this one has been used for 3 times because I put my pictures in envelopes right on them. And actually, I'm going to show you this one because it's so messy, but it's like I write down, okay, I got 1 horizontal and 4 vertical, because during this time, when I'm doing scraps to embellishments, this is kind of what I want to know, and then I just kind of work from there, because once you find your pictures, you kind of know what direction you're looking for in papers. So okay, so since I showed you my messy envelope, I had one that there was just 1 little space left to write on it. So it's got a bunch of scrap pieces, and then it's got actually 5, 6, 7 pictures, and she's got 2 horizontal, and then she's got 3 vertical, and then 1 that's almost a square. And I'm only going to have 5, but mine are going to be bigger. So I tried to use this paper, but the color that I wanted just was not going to work because of the embellishments on it. Actually, the only one that didn't have embellishments on it, it was like the color just did not look right. Okay, so this one has a little bit of matting on it. So I'm going to mat it with white because I want this pink dot to be my color. And then I just grabbed a bunch of things that I could make small strips with and would work with my color scheme. So I've got this, this. I mean, I really went to the scrap bin. This. These 3, because they will all go good with my picture. Actually, I could have went very primary, or no, I did. I'm already thinking my last one again. Okay, but and I thought I could even cut some strips out of this. Yeah, not the primary one. I don't know how come it's like, you know, I've looked at a lot of papers today. And I did get through almost all my pictures. I have all my pictures picked out. And tomorrow I might do, if I can get through all 10, I'm gonna do 10. And then I'll only have 4 left. So, so that is number 9. And then this one here, okay, I am going to use, I know I'm going to use this, and this is Mintay's Bohemian Wedding, but it's not going to be for a wedding. And I might actually use this, I'm not sure yet, I haven't decided. And then this here, and where did I lose my, oh, and this is day 27. This is actually my sketch. And I thought, oh, you know, I'm going to use this for actually, you know, like a graduation picture and then 5 little ones. Well, that was not possible. So I could have done it, but it would have been not what I want for the graduation pictures that I have left. I will actually need probably 4 pages. And so I'm gonna do different things. And so I'm actually gonna have one 8x10 here, and then I'm gonna have a 5x7, or I think over here. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit like that. So I am gonna use these papers for sure, and I might pull this in also. So, and I've thrown in all the embellishments, and so that's it for today. So I do have 10 that I've got all the pictures too. I just need to find papers for them. But I spent so much time, I was hoping to get through more, spent so much time trying to make sure I wasn't gonna scrapbook pictures that I've already done, because I've done that, I know, at least twice. And so I'm trying to prevent myself from doing that. Because, well, it's like if I get any extra, this is what my friend said when she did it. She says, then I just stick them in my album. And that's what I'll have to do if I do that. But so I'm just trying not to do that, because I'm going to keep the grandkids' albums around until I feel that they're safe at, you know, they're home when they're married. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I will show close-ups at the ends, like as I usually do. Bye-bye.